What a gorgeous car just arrived in. It is beautiful. BMW 218i M Sport Convertible, finished in Alpine white. A great four-seater convertible. £3,260 worth of factory fitted options with just 25,700 miles on the clock. Absolutely stunning. Great low mileage example. Let's take you all the way around it. It's a 2-litre diesel, 134 brake horsepower, automatic. The great smooth 8-speed automatic. A good sized boot on it. That just folds away, give you a bigger boot. This one also has a wind deflector, which was an option. The panel has to be down for the hood to work. No spare wheel on these. Batteries there, locking wheel bolt. Rear parking sensors, reverse camera. All absolutely beautiful all on the bodywork, no dents, scratches, dings or scrapes anywhere. All the wheels are in great condition. This is how the wheels have come in. We've not had any of the wheels refurbished. Good tyres all the way around. You've got the black hood, fully electric, all in great condition, undamaged. As you can see, all down the sides, just beautiful. Again, the near side front wheel, as you can see, there's no damage to that. Front tyre, front parking sensors, LED headlights, again all across the front, lovely and beautiful. The odd tiny stone chip, which is what can be expected for the age and the mileage of the vehicle, but otherwise absolutely stunning all the way around. The driver's wheel and the tyre again. And again a full close-up of the rear wheel. Again absolutely beautiful, undamaged, with plenty of tread. All the door trims in fabulous condition, undamaged. Electric windows, electric mirrors, got the folding mirrors too. Full black Dakota leather with the sport seats. So you've got additional support just under your legs there, get it absolutely comfortable. All the upholstery with individual stitching. Again the 4 seats. Leather multifunction steering wheel. Got the honeycomb aluminium trim. Keyless start, 25710, that's what it's done at 25710. Full service history. Everything's all controlled by the media point there. Nice clear screen. Satellite. You got satellite navigation. All the menu to scroll across. Very straightforward. Bluetooth connection. DAB radio. Great sound system of the vehicle. Reverse camera. got various settings on the menu, the service menu, so all the service history all listed on there. All the stereo controls on there, air conditioning, heated front seats, adjustment of the suspension so you can get it exactly how you want it. You've got sports, comfort, cruise control, speed limiter,
navigation.
Say a menu option, for example, map or enter destination.
Map.
voice activation. So as you can see, it makes it very safe to drive with all the commands. And the hood just works very quickly from that button there, fully automatic. Hold the button down, the whole process is very sleek and very quick. Incredible design, how it all folds away nice and neatly. So there we have it, that's the speed of it. Folding door mirrors. So there we have it, our beautiful BMW 218i Sport, registered in February 2021, in outstanding condition, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance offers available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP or PCP deal and apply direct off our website. It is very quick and very easy. Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7. Click and reserve. Come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. And remember our full money back guarantee. If you reserve it and you feel the car is not as described when you come to collect it, we'll refund your money, no questions asked. Ask about home delivery, we can arrange that. This could be on your doorstep, fully delivered and buying from the comfort of your armchair. And this is why we did a full HD video walk around, to show you no nasty surprises. The car is described correctly. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke on Trent, Staffordshire. Read about our raving fans reviews. I understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Established since 1997, we're open Monday to Saturday. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.